Maayong gabi isa tanan short vlog for tonight. Lagi mo ta crispy tofu squares. And sa mga ingredients nato aning crispy tofu squares first. We need breadcrumbs. And then we have all-purpose flour. We have itlog ng batil. And of course, tofu cut into squares. So first, we need to put some egg mixture and then dredge with flour. Okay. After ana, i-coat sa balik diri para sa breadcrumbs. Lagi mo niya kung long vlogan. Kapos ako mayroon and then deep fry until golden brown. There you go. So nahuman nagluto atong crispy tofu squares ato tilawan karon sa lasaan. Medyo init pa. May siya ketchup or soy sauce with vinegar or kanang tartar sauce. Siya. Lami siya. So, short vlog lang. So, akong gibuhat is, first of all, make sure that your tofu is, you pat dry it, and then, para dili siya yung moist, and then, after that, yung all-purpose flour, butangan ninyo o asin, pepper, or any seasoning ninyong gusto. Pasensya na. And then, ang inyong breadcrumbs at least, butangan og kuan. And then, inyong itlog, butangan po ninyo asin, pepper, or any seasoning. So, dami ka siya. Na-absorb yung gani. Pwede na niya. Ang dami nyo.